Welcome back to Kick the Tires. Real excited to announce I now have the FI Exhaust Valvetronic system on my Nissan R35 GT-R. I want to thank Chris at FI Exhaust and all his great communication there. Also, he even sent me that picture of the exhaust ready to ship. I want to thank Will at A90 Shop out of Vegas and helping me complete this purchase. And also I want to thank Dynasty out of Little Kentucky, which installed it and also tuned the GT-R at the same time. The video is mainly going to be sights and sounds of the exhaust in open race mode. I did not do any in street mode. I will do a more in-depth review later on, but I wanted you guys to be able to hear the exhaust. I did not see many videos out there on this particular race version for the GT-R 35, so wanted to get this out there so you could also see the unboxing and how it comes. I did get the extra unit that allows you to have the app access, which, like I said, I'll do a more in-depth review later on and all that, but mainly want you guys to enjoy the sound of the new exhaust. So enjoy this video. Also, you'll be able to see the GT-R on the dyno as I tune it, and look forward to seeing your comments, and please like this video. Thanks.
Your destination is on the right.